everyone, in this video I'll be explaining a simple program in JavaScript which we have to create 3 files, one for HTML, one for CSS and JavaScript. Declare variables using const. Now we have to calculate the random index to retrieve the emojis. So here we are using two methods, math.random and math.floor, and retrieve the corresponding emoji from emojis array. Finally, the selected emoji is displayed in the emoji display by setting the inner text. This simple code demonstrates several core concepts in JavaScript: arrays, random number, and eventlessness. I hope you found this explanation helpful. If you have any question, please leave a comment below.